scrolling through Facebook and those videos just won't start automatically. Super annoying, right? So, how to fix Facebook video autoplay not working problem? So, let's dive in. Step 1. Double check and reset autoplay settings. First thing first, make sure autoplay is actually on. Open the Facebook app, tap the three lines that of menu, go settings and privacy, then settings. Scroll to media, tap autoplay or autoplay on feed and stories. Choose on mobile data and Wi-Fi if you want full power based for testing. Or you can choose on Wi-Fi only. It saves data but still works at home. If it's already on the right settings, toggle or check it off. Wait 10 seconds, then toggle or check back on. This reset fixes glitches for most people. Step 2. Check data saver and battery saver modes. These two sneaky modes often override autoplay to save data or battery. Data saver in Facebook, you can set it like go to menu again, then settings and privacy, then settings and media again, or search data saver, then turn it off. Device battery saver. Go to phone settings, then find battery or battery and performances option. Look for battery saver or power saving mode and turn it off. Restart your phone after changing these and check again. Still not playing? Jump into step 3 is update the Facebook app. Outdated app is our autoplay killer. Update Facebook. Go to Google Play Store, search for Facebook and update if it available. As a last step, clear the app cache. Go to phone settings, then apps, then manage apps or app management. It depends on your phone model. Then find Facebook app from the list. Tap on it. Tap on storage, then clear cache. This won't log you out or delete your data. It just clears the corrupted cache that's disrupting autoplay. Restart the app and check again. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Facebook. And that's all. If this video was helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more fixes and hacks. Thanks for watching. Happy scrolling.